Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the essentials in order. Check the game version and choose the correct save slot so you don't overwrite progress. Once done, open the in-game menu and tap the gear icon at the top right to reveal the control panel. This is where input mappings, sensitivity, and HUD toggles live. Make sure your device has at least 20% battery and a stable network if you plan to sync settings to the cloud. You now tweak the controls for real playability. Change joystick mapping to fit left or right-handed play so your thumbs land naturally. Next, adjust sensitivity between 0 and 100 and immediately run a short practice to feel responsiveness. Lower values steady aiming, higher values speed turning. While here, toggle auto jump and gesture shortcuts. Turn them off to master manual timing or on to simplify tricky. Finish by applying your settings and explicitly saving or exporting the control profile so changes persist across sessions. Run a full level to confirm there's no input drift or missed actions. Pay attention to jump timing and turn responsiveness. If something feels off, reset the panel to defaults and rebind only the problematic inputs, then retest. If problems continue, restart the game and re-import your profile. This often clears temporary cache-related control bugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.